Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. Rebecca Brand, it's me, and I got my plaque. Presented to Rebecca Brown Recipes for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And thanks to you, my viewers, for getting me here. I like to have fun when I'm cooking. It all started in my kitchen. I've had a lot of fun trying to stick out on YouTube. My main advice is to do what you love and just be yourself, like I am when I go cooking on the beach with my iron. I even got a call from Adult Swim. I'm here at Comic-Con! And they aired 35 of my Iron Cook episodes. That was amazing. YouTube allows me to be crazy, to do anything I want to do that's in my head. It's complete artistic freedom. I'm here to punch some nerds! My community is all the people I write to and write back on my comment section. And even with all those haters out there, it's the Karina Beckmans that make my day. She cooked my dish for their whole family, and she's only 12. That's why I do my YouTube channel. And small creators comment to me, and we connect as we share videos. I've also done 200 brand placements on FameBit. It was 6 years to get where I'm at. My whole career is taking off, and I have you to thank for it. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and let's keep making great videos on YouTube. Make sure you ring my bell to get notified of the next video. High release!